Good morning, class 9. I hope you have gone through the different cell organelles which we discussed yesterday. In my yesterday video, we discussed about the structure of mitochondria, about the function of mitochondria. Beta, till now, till I send you the answers to the questions, no need to write anything. When you have to write question answers, I'll continue with what we have done. Okay? So just go through the notes. Do not write anything in your notebooks unless I tell you. After those 15-20 questions, I have not sent anything to be written. Now let us discuss about the structure and functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is another cell organelle which was discovered by Porter. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER, it is a large network of membrane-bound tubules and sheets which are scattered in the cytoplasm. Large network of membranes means there are membranous structures which continue from the outer membrane of the nucleus to the plasma membrane and thereby providing the transporting channels. It appears in the three forms. One is cisternae, other is tubules and vesicles. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the other is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly composed of cisternae. It appears rough, it looks rough under the microscope because there are ribosomes present on its surface. This rough endoplasmic reticulum, because of the presence of ribosomes, helps in the synthesis of the proteins as well as in the transport of the proteins within the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, because it does not have ribosomes on its surface, it appears smooth under the microscope. It is mainly composed of tubules and vesicles. So due to the absence of ribosomes on its surface, it appears smooth. It is mainly involved in the synthesis of lipids or fat molecules. So RER helps in synthesis of proteins. SCR helps in the synthesis of fats, which are also known as lipids. Moreover, SCR plays an important role in detoxification of drugs in the liver cells of the vertebrates. Whatever medicines or the poisons which may enter into the body of the organism, they get detoxified in the liver cells due to these SCR or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? One, it serves as channels for transport of proteins. जो proteins ER में ribosomes की presence में synthesize होते हैं, they are transported within the cytoplasm as well as between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. It also provides a cytoplasmic framework. Framework means cytoplasm के अंदर these membranes are scattered and these membranes provide a surface for various biochemical activities and the reactions to take place. RER is connected with synthesis and transport of proteins. SCR is connected with the synthesis of fat molecules or the lipids as well as the synthesis of various hormones like estrogen, testosterone, cortisols, etc. Moreover, one or more important function, SCR is involved in the process of detoxification of poisons and drugs in the liver cells of vertebrates. And one more important function of the endoplasmic reticulum is the membrane biogenesis. What does it mean by membrane biogenesis? Means bio is natural, genesis is synthesis. It is involved in the formation of cell membrane. Bacha, what is membrane biogenesis? You understand? RER synthesizes proteins, SCR synthesizes lipids. So some of these proteins and some of these lipids are used in the building up of the cell membrane. And you remember in these characteristics of plasma membrane, I told you that it is composed of lipids and proteins. So lipids and proteins which are synthesized in the cell by endoplasmic reticulum are utilized in the building up of its own cell membrane. This phenomena is called as membrane biogenesis, and it is an important feature of endoplasmic reticulum. So till now you must be clear about what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, and most importantly what is the difference between RER and SER, and what does it mean by membrane biogenesis. Now another cell organelle which is scattered in the cytoplasm and also found on the endoplasmic reticulum are the ribosomes. Ribosomes were discovered by the scientist Palade in the animal cells. But these are membraneless organelles. These are dense spherical bodies which may be found occurring freely in the cytoplasm, or they may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or the outer nuclear membrane, as in case of RER or rough endoplasmic reticulum. The most important function of ribosomes is the synthesis of the proteins. They play an important role in the protein synthesis. So they are also known as protein factories of the cell. Each ribosome is made up of two subunits. One is the larger subunit and other one is the smaller subunit attached to it. This is the structure of the entire ribosomes. This ribosome is is of different type in case of prokaryote, in case of eukaryote. In prokaryotic cells, we call it as 70S type of ribosome. Yes, continuing with the ribosomes, let me tell you again. These ribosomes were discovered by Palade. These are membraneless organelles, which they are not bounded by any membrane. These ribosomes play a crucial role in the synthesis of proteins. That is why we call them as the protein factories of the cell. Each ribosome is made up of a large subunit and a small subunit. This is the entire structure of the ribosomes. The two types of ribosomes are there. In prokaryotic cells, 70S type of ribosomes are present, and in eukaryotic cells, 80S type of the ribosomes are present. This S stands for the unit, which is the Swedberg unit, and Swedberg was the name of the scientist who found its different types. The large subunit and small subunit have further different units. So these ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis in the cell, and we call them as protein factories of the cell. This is what you need to do about the ribosomes only. Otherwise, chemically ribosomes are composed of rRNAs and proteins. You need not to go in detail in your syllabus. You must just know about that ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell, as they play an important role in the synthesis of the proteins. Now up till here which we have done, I will send you the question answers next week, and we will continue with the rest of the organelles. Thank you.